All right, everybody, Grant here, Wendell Well Services. We'll do a little quick video for you here today. Going back on a well that we installed about 7 or 8 months ago. Been working great for the customer, but the past month or so, he's been using it for 6 months. Past month, he's called, said he's getting kind of a rotten egg odor smell in his well, and didn't have it in the summer and the fall months, but as the winter months got here, he started getting a rotten egg smell. I wanted to know if there's anything that could be done about it. So putting this little kit on here from BII, Beauchart Industries. Going to go over it with you. It's a little sulfur emitter nozzle. So you can see here's the well head covered back over here behind me. But it's a little 3/4 inch nozzle that screws into your hose bib. Got a nozzle on here too. The concept behind it is it works as a little aerator, constantly aerating a little bit of water back into your well to get the spray out. So you can see it's not a whole lot of water. It does run all the time, but at the same time, these work very well. They're very cheap, not a whole lot of money, and you'll be using as well, and his rotten egg smell will go away. So just a quick video for you. Rotten egg smell is aggravating to deal with, especially if you're in the shower. It tends to be more prevalent on the hot water side than it does the cold water side. So just wanted to do a little quick video here. You can see this nozzle will just go right back into the well and spray back into the well. So it's not going to be wasting any water or pulling the well down. It'll just cause this pump to run a little bit more, probably once every. He's got a 44-gallon tank on there, so it'll probably cut on once every 3 or 4 hours. So anyways, just another simple fix. We stock these products as well. Hope you're not having any rotten egg smells. We don't ever want that, but it does happen, but there's a solution for it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Check us out at WendellWellServices.com. Have a good day.